Hi, I'm Nitya, CEO and co-founder of Simple. Simple is a platform that empowers online retailers to give their consumers three things: a one-click checkout like Amazon one-click checkout, a pay later account like an American Express charge card, and buyer protection features such as real-time refund, chargeback protection, and protection from fraud online like PayPal does. And the platform integrates seamlessly with merchants very much like Stripe. Before we jump into too many details, I want to step back a bit and give you some context on how we got started. Before starting Simple, I used to live in the US, and when I moved back to India, my bank in India rejected my credit card application for a very simple reason that in India, I would have a very thin credit file. When I looked around, I realized very few people in India have a credit card. So even to this day, only 29 million unique people in India have a credit card, compared to 500 million people who have a smartphone connected to the internet, and almost 900 million people who have a bank account, a debit card, and a UPI account. Initially, I thought that I should start a credit card issuer which could underwrite using better data and analytics. But as I started learning more about payments and got into the weeds of how credit cards work, my aha moment was this realization that the credit card that is sitting in your pocket right now was built in the 1950s and 60s, and almost nothing about the product, the business model, or the value chain has changed. In a place like India, where people have access to the best of technology but hardly any credit cards, why build the credit card? Can you not reimagine the whole thing and connect the merchants and consumers directly? Payments are super complex. We believe that the best payment experience is no experience at all. And that is why we built Simple, the fastest and the safest way to buy online. We call it Simple.
How simple is any online transaction? You choose your product and go to the checkout page. You choose the mode of payment. You enter your card details. You enter the OTP. You re-enter the PIN as you keyed in wrong digits the last time. And finally you are done. Not that simple, is it? Introducing Simple, a platform that brings together 2,500 plus merchants online. With a one-tap checkout app, you can buy now and pay later. With Simple, one tap and you are done. Zero failures. What's more, there's lots more. Simple sends you a bill every 2 weeks, so you can skip paying again and again. Instead, pay just one single bill every 15 days. So no need to have money in your wallet or give bank information to different websites. Just order what you love with one tap. With no hidden charges, easy refunds and zero interest fee, Simple is painless, transparent and well, simple. Oh wait, we are not done yet. We also organize your utility bills. So now pay your everyday dues in time via Billbox. Well, that's pretty cool. But what's in it for merchants? Because of friction and too many taps, a regular checkout takes about 120 seconds, while a simple checkout takes just one tap and 3 seconds. Hence, more user retention and less collection costs. And Simple's vision is to convert any smartphone into a personalized credit card. With an AI-based credit decisioning system, Simple acquires the right kind of customers and extends this seamless payment experience. What else is in store? Loyalty rewards. Now shop with your favorite merchants and win loyalty rewards that you can redeem later. So let's make India a cashless economy and say hello to a simple life. because it's time to make money simple.
So now you know why consumers love Simple, but there is so much more for the merchants. Behind the scenes, Simple has 4 building blocks: an SDK and APIs that integrate seamlessly with merchants, a beautiful consumer-facing app, a centralized permission ledger that allows anyone to be an issuer on Simple's platform, and allows merchants to give their consumers loyalty rewards that consumers would love, and machine learning algorithms that continuously improve on credit and fraud. Simple now has 2,500 category leading online retailers on its platform, and more than 9 million people are approved to use Simple now. Our mission is to empower retailers so that they can build trusted long-term relationships with their consumers, one transaction at a time. And our vision is to convert any smartphone into a credit card such that the credit line is personalized for you and the loyalty rewards are also personalized for you. Behind Simple, there is a phenomenal team that makes this possible. And I want to thank you on behalf of that team for letting us share our story.